Good morning. The Gauckman family says PG&E cut power to the neighborhood for safety reasons while crews cleaned up a nearby car crash. Jennifer Gauckman says when the lights came back on, that's when the problem started.
The power surge caused our air conditioning to malfunction. We sent a claim in to PG&E and they denied the claim shortly after.
PG&E's letter says the incident was a result of forces beyond our control. Therefore, we regret that we are unable to reimburse you for your damages. The Gauckmans say the power coming back on caused the damage, and that was within PG&E's control, so they turned to us. We reached out to PG&E. After some back and forth, it agreed to reimburse the Gauckmans $325. That's what they paid to fix the AC. We asked PG&E for comment. It only told us we reached out to Mr. Gauckman and the issue has been resolved. Wildfire season is here. That could mean frequent public safety power outages. PG&E recommends you protect sensitive electronic equipment such as televisions and computers with surge suppressors. Also, unplug this equipment if it was in use when the power went out. When a public safety shutoff is coming, PG&E says it'll send a one-time alert to the phone number and email address on your account. So take a few seconds now to make sure that information is up to date. FYI, if you want additional outage updates, you must opt in. You can subscribe on the PG&E website. Back to you.